everybody, happy Sunday. I hope that you all are having an amazing day. I am just going to jump right into this video. So I did get some new furniture, or I purchased two console tables. Well, one is a console table and one is considered maybe like a TV stand from Wayfair when they had their 2-day sale. And this is the day after Halloween, and I wanted you all to see, real life, how the house can get super messy really quick. So this is the foyer that I'm cleaning up today, and I'm also going to be cleaning up my dining room. And I wanted you all to see that, I'm human and it gets real messy. I mean, it's straight real life. The dining room became a drop zone, and I got tired of walking in the house and it was just looking like my mama used to say, who shot John and why? So I am cleaning, doing just a thorough cleaning. I won't say too much of a deep clean, but a thorough cleaning of the foyer and the living room today. So if that is something that you want to see, make sure you keep on watching as we keep on cleaning. So make sure you grab your iPad, get your phone, turn me on your TV or whatever device you use so that we can clean together. And I hope that this gives you some motivation to either clean with me or clean later on. So this console table is the same console table that was previously in the living room, and it is dusty, dirty, as you can see. So I wanted to give it a good wipe down, and I moved this one here because I wasn't sure what I wanted and how I wanted it to look. When my husband built the other console table for me, the color I love, but I thought it would be suited better in the living room, which you guys will see in another video coming up. But today we're just going to focus on getting this clean. And the table that was in the foyer before, we moved that to the dining room, which you'll see later on in the video. And so it just, to me, the whole thing looks amazing. Let me know what you think, because you will see the end result at the end of the video. Zone for some particular reason for the past few days, so I had to make sure I got all that cleaned up. I purchased two rugs, one off of Wayfair and one off of Amazon, and I was double checking to see which one it was, because the one from Amazon I want to put in the living room, which you'll see again on an upcoming video, and then the one from Wayfair I wanted to put upstairs in the loft. And I changed my mind for a while, and at first I'm glad I did, because as I'm recording this video today, it is November 2nd. Hawks actually threw up on the rug upstairs when I put it up there. So yeah, it is what it is. That's the happened. Dog life. He overate. Well, he ate something he wasn't supposed to eat, and it made him sick. So anyway, so I'm cleaning up that table that was in the foyer. And I cleaned it with that bleach cleaner, now that Clorox cleaner, and I realized, wait a minute, you got some glass cleaner. So I did clean the glass cleaner, and I'm going to clean the bottom part with that what is it, mop and go, whatever It's the wood one. You'll see it in my hand. It smells you'll see it shortly. It smells so good. Because I put that there, I felt like it was clashing with that piece, so I put it back in the foyer where it was originally at. So I'm just going to continue to clean, and I'll let you guys watch, and I'll come back in a little while.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes. Baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
So I did want to tell you all that I purchased some curtains finally for the dining room. I just need to get the rod so I can get them hung. Alright, so I'm officially done. As you can see, I put the vase back into the corner in the foyer, and this is what it's looking like after I moved some more stuff around. I did put the plant that's in the dining room outside so it can get some sun, and everything is pretty clean and back to normal. And I do love that table sitting in the dining room. Not a big fan of this picture right now, so I am looking to get rid of that. But that is all I have for you all today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I truly, again, appreciate each and every one of you. Like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye.